welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday and I decided I'm going to vlog another weekend. It's Father's Day weekend, so we have quite a few things planned and I thought it would be fun to document it and also show y'all. But before we get into today's video, I just wanted to take a moment to thank each and every one of you who are subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed, be sure you subscribe down below because recently we hit 500 subscribers and I'm just so grateful. I'm thankful that y'all support me, and if you're a smaller creator, I love supporting you. So just a huge thank you. Like I said, today is Friday and I'm actually going to see one of my friends for the first time in months. We are going to get chipotle and I've never had chipotle before, so I'm like really excited because I hear everybody talk about it. But besides that, that is all I have planned for tonight. I'm not sure if we're gonna do anything after. Tomorrow, I think we're going to have another pool day, and then at night we are going to celebrate our friend Gianni's birthday. He's turning 21, so of course we're gonna celebrate that. And then Sunday is Father's Day, so we have all day different Father's Day activities to go to. So I think it's gonna be a good weekend. If you aren't already, be sure you subscribe down below and enjoy the vlog. I got some sort of chicken and like the lime rice and cheese and salsa. I should have got sour cream, but I didn't. That girl?
Yeah, let's swap her out.
Happy Saturday. It is 12:30. I haven't vlogged all morning, but we went and got lunch. We went to Walmart, PetSmart, and Dick's Sporting Goods because I had to get my dad something for Father's Day. So we've just been riding around, but now I'm about to cut Justin's hair. I always cut his hair, so it's not like the biggest deal, but he basically gets like 1 or 2 links all over, so it's very, very simple.
Wish me luck.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out.
Looks good. I'm done doing Justin's hair. We're about to clean up the house because for Father's Day tomorrow, Justin's dad is coming over here. So we just want to clean up the house a little bit. So Justin's vacuuming and I'm going to clean up the kitchen and then move to our room maybe. And yeah.
Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah.
Now that we're done cleaning, I thought I could do a little Walmart haul for y'all because like I said, we did go to Walmart earlier. So first thing I got was just a plain black tank top. I wanted to go to like Target or maybe like Old Navy, somewhere nicer to get tank tops, but I figured we were already there and Walmart's stepping up their game with their clothes, okay? I also got the same tank top just in like a bluish color, and then I got a workout tank top in plain black. I really wanted a plain black tank top and this was literally like $4. The tank tops also were like $4 or $5, and then Justin just got 2 plain t-shirts to cut the sleeves off for when he plays basketball. And then I got this CeraVe AM facial moisturizing lotion because if y'all saw my last vlog, you know I'm trying to switch up my entire skincare routine to the one that Skincare by Hiram recommends, all the drugstore products, because I'm on a budget. I like this already so far because this has sunscreen in it. It's broad spectrum SPF 30. So it literally says facial moisturizing lotion with sunscreen, which I really like because I've never had a face moisturizer that had sunscreen in it. So yeah. And then also I got 2 bottles of shampoo. Not sure how great these are for dogs, but I read them and everything seems good. It has no parabens, SLS, sulfates. It's pH balanced for dogs, cruelty free. One of them is cucumber melon and then the other is vanilla coconut. It smells so good. And then for Father's Day, we went to Dick's and I got my dad golf balls. Literally for his birthday, Christmas, and Father's Day, he always asks for the same things. Basically, they're little fancy golf balls that look like soccer balls, and he likes soccer and golf. So now I think we're just gonna chill. I might sit outside for a little bit and just soak up some vitamin D. And then tonight at around 7:30, we're going to this bowling place, this new bowling place that they just built around us to celebrate Gianni's 21st birthday. So I'm super excited about that. Maybe I'll do a little get ready with me later. So that will add something else to this vlog. The sun is out. I have some lemonade mixed with, I think I'm gonna lay out here for a couple hours, and I have my book that I'm just going to read. We have to leave our house at like 7-ish. So I wanna start getting ready at 6 and shower and all the things. Hopefully I can get pretty far into my book. I haven't updated y'all since my last vlog, obviously, but I did get a little further. I don't wanna spoil it, but I also like wanna talk about it at the same time. So maybe I won't talk about it, but yeah, I'm just going to read a little more and soak up the sun.
I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not?
Howdy, y'all. How y'all doing today? I'm from South Carolina. Down yonder, we like to play bean toss.
It's a little bit later. We are on the way to the place where Gianni is celebrating his birthday, and I am very excited. I don't remember if I explained earlier, but basically this is a new place that they built kind of around where we live, and they have bowling. I know they have a bar, and I think they have a few other things, so it's gonna be very exciting. My makeup is a little more than usual because I originally was gonna dress like kind of nice, and then I was like, no. So then I just threw on this t-shirt, and yeah, happy birthday, Gianni. We're in the VIP section. Happy birthday, Gianni. We have our own server and everything. Pictures.
Better be a speaker. We have local.
Just a little garden update for those of you who may be curious. We have quite a bit of cucumbers growing. They used to be babies and now they're actually growing to be a decent size. See, there's a ton of these little baby cucumbers. Happy Sunday, everyone. Happy Father's Day if you are a father. My Sunday has been very, very chill. I really haven't done anything all day. I haven't left my house all day. Did a little bit of cleaning, a lot of TikTok watching, and now it is almost 5 o'clock. So I'm getting ready to go over to my dad's house to eat dinner with him and celebrate Father's Day with him. I put on a nicer outfit. I'm actually wearing a skirt, and this shirt, literally got this whole outfit from Goodwill. The shirt's a little too small, but I'm going to make it work. And I brought my little picture tripod out here, and I think I'm just gonna take some pictures of myself. I know that's like really silly, but I'm not sure if I'm going to wear this. I want to text my sister and be like, are you dressing kind of cute or just in like a basic outfit? Because I never know, and I don't want to dress in this and be like overdressed even though we're literally just doing dinner. But I never know if like we're gonna take pictures or not. And yeah, I think I'll just kind of show y'all what I do. Basically, I just take a video the whole time and take screenshots of the video. It used to have like a Bluetooth clicker, but then I dropped it in the water, so it doesn't really work anymore. So yeah. Okay, I just took a few pictures as I think I will put in so y'all can see. But my sister texted me and said she is not going to dress up. She's just going to wear kind of like a basic t-shirt and some shorts, which is perfect for me because I love dressing up, but I don't want to be like the only person dressing up, if that makes sense. So at least now I know, and I can just get comfy.
So Justin's dad's going out to the house.
Yeah, I met. Popping in on a Monday, but I just wanted to say thank you for watching this vlog. I'm sorry it was kind of all over the place. I will leave a link to my vlog playlist down below so you can find all my other vlogs that are a lot better than this one that you just watched. But I also wanted to say thank you again for 500 subscribers, and if you aren't already, be sure you subscribe down below, and thanks for watching.